everyone that comes into the kingdom ministry and sign the covenant of repentance becomes good people. They refrain from sinning, from vices, from drugs, from many harmful activities that may harm the nation. You are all becoming good people, good citizens, law-abiding, God-fearing. No drugs, even cigarettes, even wine drinking. Not one here is a drunkard. Not one here is a drug lord or a drug addict. Because you have all repented from all of those harmful vices and you became good citizens following the will of the Father. Are you not a blessing to a nation? Di ba kayo'y pagpapala sa bansa? And besides saving soul, I taught you to love your neighbor as yourself. Di ba pagpapala yon? Mahalin mo yung kapwa ng tulad ng pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo. Sinong kapwa mo? Ang dapat mong matulungan. Napakarami nating dapat tulungan sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Hindi lang sa pagliligtas ng kaluluwa, kundi ang ating mga puso ay bukas sa pagtulong sa mga nangangailangan